Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit more work in Steve's car. Today we're going to focus on the gear stick because it looks really bad. It's this kind of metal style finish, but it looks all corroded and it looks like crap. So what we need to do is try take that off, and then we got some black wrap, standard sort of wrap that you put on exterior cars. And then we're going to try wrap it in this kind of piano black, and then we'll see what it looks like. But the first thing we need to do is try actually get this piece off so that we can wrap it. So a few difficult things here. We've never done that before, not taking this off, and we've never wrapped anything. So let's see how it goes. So you want to put the car in drive and then obviously turn it off. You don't want the car to be on for this. And then you can just yank it off. So I'll get Steve to try this now.
Yeah, so you want to hold the lever here and just pull it up towards it.
Oh, there it is.
There it is, yeah. That's pretty good.
That is surprisingly easy. Let's have a look at that there. That is the piece of trim that looks like crap. So we need to try get that off and then wrap that and put it back on. So the first thing we want to do here is put a bit of tape on it, just so we don't damage the actual leather itself. Okay.
So from the start we'll be prying from the front here.
Yeah, so hopefully that'll protect the leather. Okay, we'll start prying it now. So we have a bunch of these prying tools that we always use. A link is in the description if you guys want them. They're just on Amazon. So you're going from the front first to get it lifted up. You need to. So you need good leverage on the front piece. It has a few clips at the top that lift up, and then you slide it. I think you need a little bit more than that.
So it looks like it's come off there, so we just slide it up.
Sweet, that's it off. So, I guess the key learning from that is popping this piece open, prying it up, and you'll see from just that clip a second ago that it pops a bit like that, and it's notably out, right? And then you slide up from here, and then it just pops out. So that is the piece there. So now we need to figure out how to wrap this. Okay, so this is a bit like Art Attack, but we're not quite as good as the guy from Art Attack. So we have pretty poorly cut a square there, but that should be fine. And the square is absolutely big enough for this, so we have plenty of chances to go around with this. I think we might get some alcohol and wipe this down so we know it bonds properly, because there's probably a lot of dirt on that. Okay, so I got some isopropanol alcohol, just rubbing alcohol. We'll wipe it down with that first. You should probably use gloves with this because it dries out your skin. But look. Okay, that's my skin completely dried out now. Just with any adhesives, it's all about making sure there's no grease. Okay. I think we'll start like... Okay, that's it. It was quite hard to wrap. The fact it's curved makes it really difficult.
For beginners anyway.
Yeah, we're new. We've never done this before. But from a distance, it certainly looks much better. And I think we're pretty happy with that. It's difficult when you put it back in because the wrap you've put at the edges wants to come back up because you're pushing it into the leather. But I think that looks good. is really not bad for a first attempt. Alright, we're back in the car. We're gonna put it back on now. Just shoves back down. That's it.
That's it, yeah.
Looks pretty good. The lighting's a bit weird in here, but no, it looks pretty good. It looks clearer than it was.
It looks much nicer than the previous one anyway.
Right, it's pretty good. We're happy with that. That was a quick one. We might take it off again and do a better job, but for now it's definitely good enough. Alright, that's it. We're happy with that. That was a pretty quick video. Hope you guys liked it. So it's pretty simple. We think it definitely looks better. So if you like that, please like and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos soon. We're starting on our MX-5 track car project soon, so we're going to have loads of parts of that, so it's going to be pretty cool. Alright, until next time, goodbye.